And moving on, heavy rains battered parts of Indian state of Gujarat this week, flooding cities, snapping utility links and forcing thousands to leave their homes. The torrential rains have claimed 26 lives over the past 3 days. Further, the India Weather Department has indicated that the deep depression over Saurashtra and Kutch is likely to strengthen into cyclonic storm over northeast Arabian Sea on Friday. Thus, the state is on high alert as the Weather Department has predicted heavy rains to continue over the next few days. The Indian Army, Air Force and National Disaster Response teams are carrying out relief and rescue operations in the worst hit areas. And for more, we have Parth Pandya joining us from there. Well, Parth, the mayhem continues. Cyclone Asna formation due to unusual monsoon wind system over the Arabian Sea. How is the situation there right now?
See, as far as situation is concerned, the last 24 hours was very bad for the Saurashtra and the Kutch region because the route of the depression was passing from the Kutch region and it was going to impact the Saurashtra region also. Yesterday, Dwarka, Jamnagar, Porbandar and the Kutch received more than 15 inches of the rain. Contact of Mandvi was lost due to the heavy water logging on the highways. Contact of Kutch was very tough. Morbi Kutch highway was totally destroyed because of the waterlogging situation. See, as you mentioned, the deep depression is becoming a tropical cyclone right now. See, it is not a regular phenomena. A cyclone needs some precursor. That is the average temperature of the sea level, that is more than 27 degrees Celsius, and it generally occurs on the sea only. But this time, what is happening? It started from the low pressure zone in the Bay of Bengal, then it became a depression, then it became a deep depression. Now it is becoming a tropical cyclone. On August 30, that is today, it will be joining the Arabian Sea, northeast of Arabian Sea. The path of the cyclone will be the western path if it is not changed. So IMDS said that it is not a regular phenomena. Scientifically, it is a different phenomenon. It is a new thing right now happening on the land of the Gujarat because the tropical cyclone needs the moisture content and in a good amount. But land cannot give that much moisture content. So it is a new thing. Today, 45 plus teams of NDRF, SDRF, and Army has been on the standby mode and on the working day and night to save people from the drowned areas. Today,
All right.
southern Gujarat, central Gujarat, and northern Gujarat is almost clear. As you can see, it
Okay.
is sometimes sunny and it is sometimes rainy. So
Right.
things are critical right now.
Right. Thank you so much, Parth, for all that update from there.